finding a fraction of an amount. Pause the video and have a go at examples 3 and 4. Example 3. Find 2/3 of 24. You begin by finding 1/3. To find 1/3, you divide it by 3. 24 divided by 3 is 8. 2/3 then will be double the size, so we times 8 by 2 and we get 16. Now that method you would have used in first year. There is another approach you can take. Now it might not be required for something so simple as this, but I'll show you how it works for a simpler question, and then you can try to apply it when it's needed for a harder question. So the question is 2/3 of 24. 2/3, when it's 2/3 of 24, if you had 5 packs of 6, that would be 5 multiplied by 6. So of represents multiply. So we've got 2/3, and we're going to multiply that by 24, or 24 wholes, or 24 over 1. Remember, to multiply fractions, you multiply the numerators together and the denominators together. If there's a common factor on the bottom and top, you can cancel those out. So we can divide the numerator, the 24, by 3, which would give 8, and divide the 3 by 3 to give 1. So we now have the calculation on the numerator. We've got 8 times 2, which is 16, and on the bottom we've got 1 times 1, which is simply 1. And that gives us the final answer, 16 wholes, or 16. Example 4. John filled 3/4 of a 5.5 litre barrel with water. How many litres are in the barrel? Well, there's going to be 3/4 of 5.5 litres. Now, you can, but you wouldn't really want to divide that by 4 and times by 3 because it's an awkward fraction. So what we can do instead is do all the work in fractions, and we can work out 3/4 of 5.5. 5.5 as an improper fraction. 5 wholes is 10 halves, plus the 1 is 11 halves. So we can work out 3/4 of 11 halves of being multiply. We multiply the numerators together and the denominators together, and we get 33 over 8. Nothing cancelled down there beforehand. Write that as a mixed number. 8 goes into 33 4 times. 8 4s are 32, and 1 left over. That's 1 that still has to be divided by 8, so that's 1/8. So how many litres are in the barrel? There's 4 1/8 of a litre in the barrel.